I am Antonella Vallenari. I am the Deputy Chair of the Gaia consortium, and I'm also a member of the Coordination Unit 8, and I am taking care of part of the validation of the data for the first data release.
I am Rosanna Sordo. I work in the Coordination Unit 8 for Gaia, and I'm responsible to provide a simulation that allows the algorithm to derive the properties of the sources analyzed by Gaia.
Hi, my name is Orla Creevy, and I'm an astrophysicist at the Observatoire de la Côte d'Azur in Nice, in France. I have been part of the Gaia project since 2014, and I have two main roles in Gaia. So the first role, since 2014, I'm in charge of the software that analyzes Gaia data and produces physical characterization of stars, namely their sizes, their masses, and their ages. Now, since 2018, I have a second role too. I lead the Coordination Unit 8, which is a unit of over 60 members, and we produce many different astrophysical parameters of not only stars, but also galaxies and quasars.
Hello, I am Lara Paños, and I'm a PhD candidate in computer engineering at the University of A Coruña, Spain. I've recently joined Gaia, and I'm part of the OA working package from CU8 with Minia. And my role as a programmer is to improve the performance of our outliers detector through the development of unsupervised learning algorithm.
Hello, my name is Gaia CU8. I work in the Paris Observatory, and I am part of CU8 in the cross-validation team. And for DR3, I have worked in the validation of the metallicities.
My name is Ruth Carballo. I am an associate professor at the University of Cantabria in Spain. I've been a member of DPAC since 2015, working mainly in the Coordination Unit 8 of astrophysical parameters. My work deals with helping identify the quasars and galaxies that are detected by Gaia in collaboration with different groups in the consortium. Gaia, in fact, has a huge impact in cosmology because of several reasons. It covers the whole sky, it has very accurate positions and spatial resolution. It measures proper motions so that we can remove from initial selections of quasars and galaxies the stellar contaminants. It also has a very accurate spectrophotometric calibration and the time domain. So we'll see in cosmology important results coming from the DPAC and from the community with each of the Gaia data releases.
Hello, my name is Alejandra Recio Blanco. I'm an astrophysicist at the Observatoire de la Côte d'Azur in Nice, in the south of France. I work for the Gaia space mission, and in particular, I analyze the light collected by the Gaia radar velocity spectrograph in order to determine what the stars are made of and reconstructing the history of our galaxy, the Milky Way. Gaia is a wonderful adventure with men and women like me at the front of its scientific exploration.
Hello, my name is Minia Madeira. I am researcher at the University of La Coruña in Spain, and I have been a member of the DPAC consortium since the year 2006. Between CU8, my role is very interesting. I would say that even cool. I coordinate the working package outlier analysis, which is devoted to the study of those sources with anomalous properties between the bulk of all observations gathered by Gaia, with the very high potential of discovery that this implies in astronomy.
Hello, I am Ana Ulla Miguel. I am an astrophysicist and a professor at the University of Vigo in Galicia, Spain, at the Applied Physics Department. I collaborate with a group led by Minia Manteiga at A Coruña University. Right now, one of the tasks I'm involved with is the coordination of online documentation for CU8 chapter for DR3.
I am Caroline Soubiran. I am working at the Laboratoire d'Astrophysique de Bordeaux, France. I have been involved for 25 years in the preparation of Gaia. My role is to provide catalogs of reference stars, which are used to calibrate and validate the radial velocities and the astrophysical parameters observed with a spectrograph on board of Gaia. The number of stars for which these stellar characteristics will be available in DR3 is absolutely unprecedented, and we are all very excited to provide this exceptional dataset to the community.
Hi everyone, I'm Tavisha Dharmaratana. I am part of the Max Planck Institute for Astronomy, where I'm a postdoctoral researcher in the Gaia group. I'm also a member of the Gaia DPAC CU8, and for the Gaia Data Release 3, I have been working on validating the Gaia DR3 data, particularly the extinction parameters, and I've also been helping create material for Gaia outreach programs which will accompany DR3.
Hello. My name is Ulrike Heiter and I'm a senior lecturer at Uppsala University in Sweden. I'm standing here in front of one of our historical clocks, which was built in London in 1740. My research is centered around stars in the Milky Way galaxy and in planetary systems, and I'm using spectroscopy to study their properties such as the chemical composition. In the Gaia Data Processing and Analysis Consortium, I'm part of the Coordination Unit 8, which produces stellar atmospheric parameters using the spectroscopic data from Gaia. I am mainly working on the validation of the data products by comparing the results from within Gaia using different methods and by comparing to results from ground-based observations.
My name is Nathalie Brouillet and I am astronomer at the Laboratory of Astrophysics in Bordeaux. I help in the validation of the measurements of the astrophysical parameters of stars. For DR3, we will be able to provide such parameters for more than 500 million of stars.